Here we have two options, sit or am sitting. Sit is about your routine. Am sitting is about something you're doing now at present. Here in class right now is about present progressive or simple present.
I am sitting
Perfect.
right now.
That is correct. What about you? Are you sitting in class right now? Or you're sitting at your desk at home?
Yes.
Which one's correct?
I'm sitting at my desk. I'm sitting at my desk right now.
Very good, but you're actually at home. That's correct. Let's know about the second sentence. Read or is reading. Here we have got a sign. You need to be careful. Every day. So every day is about what? Routine or something's happening now. Which one's correct? Reads or is reading?
Read books every day.
Read or reads, because we have a she. Let me ask you a question. Does your mother read books every day?
No, she doesn't. But sometimes.
Does she like books?
Not really, but she does like.
What about your dad? Does your dad read books every day?
No.
Does he like books?
No.
He doesn't like books.
No.
Is he reading a book now?
No.
I'm talking about your daddy. He cooks. Your daddy cooks lunch or dinner.
No, anything. He just sleeps and goes to work.
He goes to work, but he's staying at home. You said your dad's at home today. I don't know, but you said it. Your dad's at home too. English every day. Study or I'm studying. Pink or purple?
I am studying. Purple, purple, purple.
I'm studying, but I think you're making a mistake because every day is not for progressive one. The next one. Tom, dinner tonight. Which is correct? Makes or is making?
I don't know.
Tonight, whenever you have some adverbial one, like tonight, today, right now, at present, easily you can use present continuous ing one. So here, Tom
is making dinner tonight.
Very good, you understand that. Is making. Yoo-hoo! Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. What about this one? Isn't working, doesn't work. Which is correct?
Ooh.
Be careful about your adverb. Which one's correct?
I think the blue one.
Complete sentence, ready?
He doesn't work right now.
Doesn't
work? Isn't working
Stop.
right now.
Isn't working. Is your father working now?
No.
No, he is or no, he isn't. No, he is or no, he isn't.